Hey guys, I'm at Ollies in Mount Poconos. This is the selection I found. It's slim, but at least it wasn't a total bust out here, but finally made it to an Ollies. So let me reverse the camera angle. So we have some die-cast, battleship, tank, the extent of the car models, some planes, ships. So not too bad. The dual packs. Alright, so I'll probably pick up one or two kits, but not too bad. At least it wasn't a total bust coming out here. Okay, thanks for watching. Alright, so I'm back at home, so I just want to show you what I ended up picking up at Ollies. So basically, I realized that I panned a little too quick, but at Ollies there was basically 9 plastic model kits available. There was the P40B die-cast and some Harley die-cast, but as far as plastic models go, it was basically 9 kits. It was the tall ship, I think it's pronounced Gouda, the Dutch man of war, which kind of reminds me of cheese. There was the Hawk kit, the Comet, the commercial airliner that came with little scale gas tankers and service trucks. I guess it's great if you want to do a diorama. It came with but they were mostly Lindbergh kits. It was the only car model I saw was the Chrysler 300C 2005, which I'm not really a big fan of, so I ended up not picking it up. Maybe if they had other kits that I've seen of other people when they went to Ollies, I might have picked it up, like some MPC or AMT, GTOs, Camaros, even the large scale like the fire pumpers. But I kind of went, I guess, off season, because I hear that there's 2 big times when Ollies has big sales, usually right before Christmas and maybe around the springtime, but I just happened to be close. So they also sold some ships too. There was one large scale King George V HMS, and then there was a smaller scale HMS King George V along with the Dorshire, and then there was a Imperial Japanese Navy tabletop twin pack kit of the Yamato and the Zukaku aircraft carrier. I was thinking about picking up the aircraft carrier, but it looked like it didn't come with any complimentary aircraft. So as far as the plane kits go, this is 172 scale, which I usually like to build 148, but I guess for this price it's not bad. What did I pay for it? Oh, $7.99 for 2 172 scales. The other pack was the F100 Super Sabra, and I think the MiG-21 or whatever. I think you can clearly see in the video, but this one was hidden in the back, so it doesn't show up in the video, but I did end up picking this up. So I intend to heavily weather these. You can also build them as battle damage too. So here's the back. I should have done this when I was in the store, but I was very conscientious because it was not in an aisle. It was actually on the end of the aisles with people walking around. So I was very conscientious when I shot it. And then I bought this Lindbergh kit. It's probably not going to be any Tamiya, but for that price, $10, I wouldn't mind putting it together. I didn't open it yet, but I did go to ScaleMates, and it looks like it does have separate wheels and treads, which is fine. Because I remember building like a 172 scale tank one time by Lindbergh, and the track and wheels was like one solid molded piece, and then underneath were 4 wheels like a car, so you could roll it back and forth. So as long as it's not that, I'm happy. So I will probably build a Russian model compared to maybe the Israeli model. I'll probably build a Russian model. So this one I'm going to heavily weather as well. So as you know, I just want to finish up the Challenger that's on my workbench, and then maybe spray paint 2 or 3 car kits in preparation for the winter. Currently have a mild winter, so if it stays above 60 degrees, I can maintain spray painting outside. So that's what I bought. Picked up these 2 out of the 9 that was available. So that's it for now. I gotta finish up that Challenger.